Hello everyone. In the previous issue, we talked about the quality assurance and pricing policy of prefabricated modular housing. In this issue, we will continue to focus on delivery and transportation, installation, services, compliance certifications, customization, adaptability, and after-sales maintenance, explaining all key information throughout the procurement process in one go. First, let's cover delivery and transportation. Efficiency and convenience are guaranteed. The standard delivery cycle is clear. Production can be completed within 45 working days after confirming the drawings. The transportation service is even more thoughtful. We deliver from the port of the buyer's country directly to your designated location, eliminating the need for you to coordinate the process. We truly achieve door-to-door service. Regarding installation and supporting services, we offer two flexible options. The first is to dispatch professional engineers to the site to assist the local construction team in completing the installation in accordance with standards, ensuring the installation quality meets requirements. The second is to provide remote guidance services. We will equip you with detailed installation instructions and answer installation questions and guide operational points for the construction team through online communication. Regardless of which option you choose, we will ensure a smooth installation process and up-to-standard results, giving you peace of mind for future maintenance and use. Next, let's introduce the adaptability solutions for special environments. For extremely cold regions, we will add thermal insulation materials such as insulation cotton walls, roofs, and floors will adopt thickened insulation layers using high-quality insulation materials such as rigid polyurethane foam insulation (XPS) and rock wall boards to comprehensively improve thermal retention and ensure a comfortable indoor temperature in low-temperature environments. For high-salt coastal environments, we have a complete set of anti-corrosion treatment plans. The main steel structure prioritizes hot-dip galvanizing secondary components, undergo electroplating plus phosphating plus sealing paint, and doors. Windows are made of broken bridge aluminum alloy or UPVC plastic steel materials. Additionally, we can provide aluminum house frames if requested by the customer. Both materials can well adapt to special climatic conditions, ensuring the stability and the durability of the house structure. After discussing special environment adaptability, let's talk about compliance and the certifications. You don't have to worry at all. Our products fully comply with local building code requirements. Whether used domestically or exported overseas, they can smoothly. The wind resistance is extremely strong. The overall rigidity of the steel structure is excellent, and with a reasonable anchoring design, it can resist typhoons of grade 12 or above, making it reliable for use in coastal areas. The seismic grade reaches grade 9, providing solid safety guarantees in seismic fortification areas. Fire safety standards vary across countries and regions, and we have made precise adaptations. When selecting materials, walls and roofs prioritize high-grade fire-resistant materials, and insulation layers use G1, G2 grade, flame-retardant rock wool, PU. For severe cold plus fire protection scenarios, G1 grade basalt rock wool is preferred, which can withstand low temperatures of -50 degrees Celsius and is paired with a vapor barrier, breathable layer to prevent condensation. Our customization capabilities are also excellent. We can accurately meet all your needs for styles. You can choose from various options such as space capsules, apple cabins, and triangular houses. For layout and functions, the number of bedrooms can be fully customized, whether it's a single-person residence with 1 bedroom, a couple's home with 2 bedrooms, a warm family home with 3 bedrooms, or a large family unit with 4 bedrooms. We can design it exclusively according to your living needs. The minimum order quantity for customized orders is only 1 set, suitable for personal self-occupation and project procurement. If you have no special requirements, you can also choose the basic standard model, which offers higher cost effectiveness. We also support the installation of bathroom modules to meet different installation needs. In addition, our products are environmentally friendly. Formaldehyde emissions comply with relevant standards, ensuring indoor air quality. The steel structure can be 100% recycled and reused, which is both economical and environmentally friendly, responding to the concept of green buildings. That's all the core information about the entire process of prefabricated modular housing. If you have a procurement plan, please feel free to consult us. We will provide you with professional solutions and attentive services, and look forward to cooperating with you to create high-quality living and usage spaces.